Hi friends, in this video I'm going to be making a cute little felt strawberry. It's so simple. Here's the things that you're going to need, and I don't have a template for you. It's pretty easy. You're just going to start off with a half circle, and for the green leafy shape I just cut out a 5-pointed flower or star, and it doesn't have to be perfect, or you can make it perfect, whatever works for you. I start off by folding the half circle shape in half, and I put my needle and thread. It's already knotted. I'm going to start off at the bottom corner, and I'm just going to back stitch along that straight edge, and what's going to happen is you're going to close that seam and it's going to turn into a perfect little cone shape. And back stitching, I try to keep it a little bit away from the edge so that it doesn't rip through the sides. I'm actually using a red flannel for this strawberry, so it's a little bit stronger than just using like a basic felt. But even with felt, you want to make sure you keep some distance away from the edge because it tends to rip, again depending on what kind of quality you're using. After you're done doing that, you're going to flip it inside out. You're not going to take the thread out the needle. You're going to do a running stitch all the way along the top until you reach where you began. From here, you're going to take your fiber fill or your stuffing, and you're going to gently stuff the strawberry to your liking. I like to make it a little bit on the softer side. It also made it easier for me to seal it together. Then you're just going to pull that thread. Again, you didn't take the thread out the needle, and you just pull it real tight, and then I just go through and I secure it one more time with a knot. And again, you're going to leave the thread in the needle, and then now you're going to attach the leafy part to the strawberry. I start off by inserting the needle through the middle of the leafy part, and then you're basically going to go up and around the leaf and making sure the thread is pulling down in between the points of the leaf. So you're going to do that 5 times, and it should make it nice and secure, and it should also kind of bunch it up really cute for the strawberry. You're going to go around and you're going to do all 5 points. And then again, you're going to leave the thread in the needle. This is so easy. You're going to insert the needle through the bottom of the green leafy part. You're going to come out through any old side of the strawberry. And now we're going to be doing the seeds and like the little dimple parts. So you're just going to be making a bunch of random little stitches, or you could do it perfectly and map it out. But I just kind of went all over the strawberry until I thought it looked nicely seated. And you're going to just keep making stitches in and out of the strawberry, just leaving little marks. And again, that's going to be the seeds. I then double knot it to seal it. We're finally going to get rid of this thread. And I just sink the knot back into the strawberry, making one last little seed stitch, and then I cut the tail off the end of the thread, and that's basically it. You can kind of massage your little stuffing in there, get the little shape going, just fix any little tidbits that need to be fixed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy, super cute, and I hope that adds a wonderful touch to whatever creative projects that you're going to be doing in the future. Happy creating!